All right, happy Tuesday, September 26th. I'm starting on a new chapter today, chapter 2. And I want to try to have all of my 1,000 words done today before, let's say, 9 o'clock. So it's about 4 hours from now. And I think that's going to be possible. In chapter 2, I'm going to be talking about platforms. So tools. It says platforms. I think I may change that to tools. And so we've got a bunch of headings. First thing I need to do before I really get started on this is just lay everything out with the correct headings. So these actually are H2s. And that's an H1. And I'm not sure about everything here. What is that? That's an H4, that's an H3. I think I just messed something up here. So are all these H3s shall become H2s. H4s shall become H3s. And so, yes, these are actually H4s here. So this becomes an H2. These become H3s. This becomes an H2. These become H2s. And this is going to be... Wait a minute now. H2, H2. Yeah, and so this one here is H2. Now this is a heading 1. These all these become H2s. All these become 3. Two. 3 and 2. So it's going to be a long chapter. This is the longest chapter in the book. And so I think that's going to be... It's all about tools, so... I don't know why tab 9 is in there. This is the second thing. I think I should reorganize that. So a lot of this is me refreshing my memory, but also doing some work that I've got to do eventually anyway. Super exciting. And after I get all of this formatting done, I'm going to go take a break and sit and think for a minute. There. So I haven't added any new pages yet. something like that. Has, say, enabled many legacy tools. Say what? Why did that do that? Okay, now we're in business, kind of. Yeah, this header stuff. I don't even. Oh, there's supposed to be a section at the beginning of each chapter that says, in this chapter, this. I need to look at my JavaScript book. Yes, I need to add this. To chapter 1. Give me a few more words. Always on the lookout for that few more words. I don't like when it says processing. I might need to restart my computer. Like that. So here, defining AI terms. Thinking about neural networks. Practicing responsible AI. Oh look, I had that in the previous book. That's great. I'm so cool. Learning how AI is used in coding. I'm going to do this one. Oh. Pairing with an AI pair programming. Kaboom. And so that does change my calculations a little bit, but well, let's just factor that in right now because it's important. So I've gone to 7222. Yes, so it adds a couple more words. What was that? Hmm. 7222. Shoot. 7193. Wait, 7222. 7193. 29 more words. So great. I can just add this onto here. And then now I can get into my chapter 2. And I'm going to need to add this stuff to chapter 2. there. So in this chapter, it's going to be flying with pilot. It's always hard to figure out the stupid headings. But I'm just going to put in something and see, that might be a place where I actually could use AI. I don't. I'm just going to put in something. So ChatGPT, we could say there's a lot of stuff here. Whispering code with Code Whisperer. Building. I mean, what do you say here? You say like whispering with Code Whisperer. I hate that. Whispering. Whispering code. So what do you associate with Code Whisperer? I could say like I don't know. It's, you know, there's like, I need some kind of just header thing. For a description of what's in this section about Code Whisperer. And surely there's some sort of clever thing. Everybody loves the clever things like whispering with Code Whisperer, but that is just dumb. And I don't know why. Oh, see, this is there. Using Code Whisperer. I don't know. We'll just say like So I said talking code with ChatGPT will say whispering code. Just as a placeholder, we'll say collaborating with, working together. With Replit. Oh, man. Getting to know Cody. And finally, asking Cody. You know, I feel like now I've got Cody and Cody. And also, it's like asking. We'll do that. And yeah. So this will be a little description, what Copilot is, what model it uses or models it uses, some thing about who should use it, etc., etc. And yeah, I'm feeling okay with my very early progress on chapter 2 here, and where I need to go from here. It's a big leap to go from blank page to starting to fill in the outline, but now I'm kind of ready to do it. And yeah, this will take 48 pages. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For some reason my headphones just turned on. That's weird. So 7 sections, 48. It's gonna be like 8 pages for each section-ish. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages per section, per 8 pages about each of these tools. And I think probably 2 of those pages, or 3 of those, 4 of those pages for each one is going to be like how to do something with that tool. And there are going to be a lot of screenshots. And so what I need to do now is I need to take a break, and then I will come back and just dive right in. And you know, I'm thinking about that my live stream here isn't really very entertaining, but that's certainly not the point of it. And I'm not going to start, wearing funny hats or anything, because what I'm doing here is I am here to work, to document it, to keep myself focused, to maybe educate or help someone who is wondering about this stuff, or about what it takes to write a book, or to wake up every single morning at 3 a.m. and get down to the business of just doing the thing that you do until it's done. And my thing right now is writing 1,000 words per day. And whatever it takes for me to do that is what I'm gonna do. And right now it is wake up at 3-ish and just work as hard as I can in a focused way to try to get that done before the dog wakes up. And it's not that the dog waking up is going to ruin my whole day or anything, but it's just kind of a goal. And then that gives me the rest of the day to work on my other projects. I'm working on writing a course about an advanced React course right now that I'm teaching next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so that's what I have to do after I finish my 1,000 words. Probably up to about 100 today after an hour of writing. And so it hasn't been an hour. I've been on camera now for only 28 minutes. So it's only been half an hour. And I've got about 3 more hours of sort of peak not being sort of peak quiet time where I can write. But right now it's a break. I think I'll just put up my break time thing. And whoops. Maybe it's not necessary to do this. Maybe I should just, I'll save disk space. I'm signing off. I'll be back in half an hour.